Morning, guys. August 2nd, 2024. So there I got a call for AC at this guy's house. He called me from Florida. I worked for him, his parents, before. He comes up and back and forth to Florida. And I've added gas to that. It's got an old Goodman system there. And I guess he's got a bottle of 22 and he's been adding it. He has got some in the shed or something. He had his buddy put some in, he told me, and then he came up and checked it, and the guy had put like 5 pounds extra in the thing. He said the pressure was like 400 pounds on the suction, the head pressure was like 400 pounds. It's like, wow. He said the superheat, the subcoolant was like 50, and with zero superheat. So he took a bunch of gas out of it. I don't know how he took it out. Probably just dumped it. But he said he reset the superheat for 20, so that should be fine. The guy probably didn't know how to set R22. He probably thought it was 410, maybe. I don't know. But anyway, this is what this guy's telling me. And now I guess his parents' AC wasn't working, and so I told him to call him back and tell him to shut it off. I go by there today. So I called him again today, and he says the father went outside, and the condenser was running, but the fan wasn't running. But he did shut it down. He said the fan was really hot. So that's why I always tell people, if it's not working, shut it off. Because if that condenser fan mode is not spinning and that unit's running, it's going to get super high pressure and just burn the unit out. Just run till it burns out. The thermal overload don't open, you're in trouble. So I always tell people, shut it off. So I'm gonna go over there and we'll get the fan working. I got condenser fan motors in the truck if I have to put one in, and probably just a capacitor, most likely. But I know it's an older system. I told him it needed to be replaced. But he's, you know, he got some R22 from Florida or whatever. He's been adding it himself. So I don't know if I wanted to get involved with it, but I'll go by there, help out his parents, I guess. I've worked for them before. They always paid me, never an issue, so.
Turn right, Smith Neck Road.
That's the story. Right there, it's hot, flipping hot here.
To the end of the street, then turn right.
Can't be without AC for long now. It's 90 degrees out.
Lights would blink over the...
That's why I make the big bucks, right? Yeah, because what happens is the capacitor helps things to start.
Yeah.
And if it's bad, it's going to draw high voltage.
Yeah.
It's not going to want to start, so it's like drawing a lot of amps, right?
Yeah. It's like
Let's check it first before we do anything. Has it been cooling other than that? Was cooling?
Oh, yeah.
Was cooling fine?
Oh, perfect.
Yeah. How you like being retired? You like it?
I'm getting used to it. Let's see. I retired at 50 years old. I'm 86. 87.
Wow. That's a lot. So you're enjoying it. Yeah, capacitor's bad. It's all puffy.
Okay.
Guarantee that's the problem. It's all puffy. We got it. You got it off inside, right? The thermostat.
Well, I don't know. I didn't touch it. You want to go check it?
I want to make sure it's off. Why don't you go shut it off just to make sure? Should be, because I don't want to short anything out here. The low voltage should be off, but he's gonna shut it off anyway. See, it's all puffy. Looks like my eyes in the morning. So that's a 50-5. See how it's all puffy? No good. I should have it, hopefully. A little puffy there, see it? Capacitors in here. Here we go. That's a 60. I think that's a 60. Or was that a 50? It's a 60. There's a 50-5 down in there somewhere. There's a 50-5. There we go. That's the one. My eyes are shitty as I get older. I can't see for shit. I got some 45s and I might have to get some more 50s. I like to look when I'm in here how many. I got another 50 there. So I got quite a few 60s. There's another 50 in the back there, so. I'm getting too old for this shit, you know.
How old are you?
60.
Oh, Christ, you're only a kid.
I'm just a kid. It's the same. Alright, we gotta put the fan is the. You have it off, right?
Yep.
Yeah, the fan's the brown one. There's the fan, it's the 2-pronger. In here. So what your son thinks he's an air conditioning guy now, huh?
What?
Your son thinks he's an air conditioner guy now.
Oh, my son is a air conditioning rocket science.
Huh?
Oh, he's everything.
He's everything?
Oh, this fucking guy.
He does everything.
Oh, yeah. I don't know where he gets that. I think my wife had a boyfriend.
Oh, yeah. Alright, so this is the Herm.
He doesn't get it from me.
He doesn't get it from you?
No way.
He said he had his buddy come over here, put some gas in the thing, and he put like 5 extra pounds in it or something?
Yeah.
He didn't know what he was doing.
Yeah, so that's what the...
So I told him, I said, how come you don't call that clown back? Oh, I don't know. Oh,
Well, it was a...
You don't trust the
friend.
Yeah, I don't trust the guy.
No, he's a brother-in-law, I guess.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah. The guy that didn't... The guy that worked on it wasn't his brother-in-law, but his brother-in-law knew the guy.
All right, we'll open this up and we'll see if it starts before we even turn it on. All right, we'll see. He's got the breaker off over there. Why don't you turn?
Huh?
Let me turn the breaker on. You know how to do it? Yeah, just flip that breaker, flip it up. All right, there we go. Let's see if it works. Okay, it's working now.
Yeah.
Go turn it on inside and we'll check the charge and make sure it's okay. But he says he was just here playing around with the charge, wasn't he? How long ago?
Oh, within a month.
Within a month? All right, go ahead and turn it back on. Turn the thermostat down and we'll let it run for a bit and see what it does.
So that's the thermostat down?
Yeah, turn on the air conditioner.
Yeah.
The capacitor. She's looks like my eyes in the morning. Yeah. All puffy. All puffy. Compressor, you hear it?